Okay. Now everything is fine now, guys.
Can you show the error?
Yeah, I'll show you. See this illegal state exception incorporated invalid. What is that? Schema scheduled, right? Scheduled method. We are saying that what is that? Directly it's saying that the maximum range is what? 65, but you are putting what? 60, but what you are doing now? 65. This is the another console. Okay, one. Where that one? Our application directly is saying now. Okay, 1 minute. I will run the again. Up. Serious. What is that? Range exceeded maximum 65, but what 60, but what we are given now 65 in expression. What is that? This is our expression or not? Come on, you are able to seeing this expression? So there,
Yes, clear. Yes,
clear,
clear.
right? Okay. Means based on that possibility only you can pass the what is that expression. Otherwise, what we will get? Illegal state exceeded kind of what error we will get. Okay. Okay, so now let's see that. Okay, if, so what is that? See this. What is that? I said that. What is that here? If range, I'm going to give what is that range example, guys. Okay, range is there, right? Range is there. So I'm giving one expression, right? Again, what I'm going to do now? Again, what I'm going to do now? I'm giving range, right? I'm going to give what range? I'm going to give what range? Okay, 0, 0. Okay, I'm going to give what is that? Just I'm giving what is that? Just think about someone unmute yourself. Who is unmuted now? Kusuma, please mute yourself. Kusuma, mute yourself. I'm trying to mute her, but I'm unable to mute it. Why? Okay. Okay, so now fine now, guys. Okay, so next one is what? Okay, just I'm giving what? See this expression, right? Example. Just again, I'm giving what? Example. I'm giving one example now. Okay, so see this. Okay, so what I'm going to give now? 0, 0, 9 hyphen what? 11, right? 11. Now star. Okay, can anyone tell what is that? Based on this expression, what we can assume it now? See this possible range. Range I'm giving here. What is that? Dash symbol I given, right? Dash symbol means what? Range. Range. So anyone can tell? Anyone can tell?
9 to 11 continuously.
How our task will execute? Yes. Our task will execute. Our task will execute. What is that? First execution will be 9 to 9, 9 minute, 9 second, 00. Just think AM, right? AM. AM. Another one is what? Another again 1 hour gap will be there, right? Another 10 AM. 10 AM. Another one is what? 11 AM. Every day 9 to 11 AM our task will execute, right? Every day 9 to what? 11 AM. What is that? our task will execute. This indicate what is that? This symbol indicate what is that? Possible range. Possible range. What is the possible range? 9 to 11, right? 9 to 11. This is what is that? Possible range will be there. Okay, guys. So now again. So again, one more symbol will left, right? Possible value, right? Possible value, we seen that, right? Possible value, we seen that. Okay, let's come in. Come again. Again, I'm writing one expression, guys. Just give the answer. Just give the answer. What is that? Okay, 30 minutes. Sorry, 30, 15, comma, 25, 25, start, start, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell based on this expression what is that? Expression is correct, guys. Expression is correct. Okay. Don't think this is the invalid expression. Expression is correct. Mayank correct. Mayank correct. Sachin 15. Okay, guys. See this. Okay. See. Its expression means what is every what is that? Hour. Hour. What is that? What is that? See this. What is that? Hour means what is that? Minute, right? We are taking minute, right? What is that? 15, 15th, 15th, 15th minute, 15th minute, and what? Another one is what? 30, right? 30 second, 30, 30 second, 30 second. And after then, what is that? Next one is what? 25. Again, 25. Again, what is that? 25, 25. Again, 25 minute, 25 minute, and what? 30th second. Like that. Yes, easy. Our application will start. Just think about that. What is the? Just think about that. Just I'm starting my application. What? App will start. What? App is started. Just what? Just now. Just what is that? 4 6 is happening now, right? 4 6 is happening now. Okay. Yeah. 4 uh 407, right? 07. Just think about that. 00 p.m. is happening, right? 00 p.m. is happening now. So our task will execute. What is that? 4 p.m. First execution will be 4 p.m. 15 minute. 4 p.m. 15 minute. What is that? 30 second p.m. right? First execution. And what is that? Second execution will be. Second execution will be. What is that? 25. 25, right? 25 30th second. Like this. Like this. What our task will execute, guys? Okay. Like this. What is that? Yes. Yes. Correct. Amrani correct. Yes. Yes. Correct. In our two time our task will execute now. Okay. Okay, guys. So again, okay, one more expression going to give you. Okay, one more expression I'm going to give you. Okay, are you ready? Are you people are feeling bored now? You people are feeling bored, or shall I continue, or shall I stop it now? Shall I stop it, or shall I continue? Sudhir, really, you are enjoying the session. Feeling the feeling is coming like boring. Okay, guys. So, okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that every time. Okay, okay, guys. So now fine. Okay. So what I'm going to do now? Again, I'm taking this timeline, right? Okay, here only. Because based on that, if you people see this one, right, then you people can give what correct answer. Correct answer. Okay. So again, I'm giving the expression, guys. See this expression. See this expression. 10th second. After then, what I'm taking 2 5. See here. After then 30. After then, what I'm going to do now? 9 comma 18. And after then star 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 means what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Expression is correct now, guys. Expression is correct. Expression is correct now. Expression is correct. Anyone can able to give the answer, or shall I only give?
No, miss the comma.
Where I missed the comma? No, everything is fine now. Expression is correct. Okay, guys. I only give the series. Okay. What is that? See this one. Okay. I know that this is a little bit. Okay. See the expression. First, just think about that. What is that? First one means what? Its meaning is what? Its meaning is what? See this. Every day, right? Every day. What is that? Every day. What is that? Hard. Sorry. Every day. Hard plus see this every day, because after then I taken what is that? Week, month, everything is a star, right? Means anything means what is that? Every hour. What is the hour? 9 and 18. 9 and 18, right? So first, what is that? 9 a.m. 9 means what is that? 9 means what? 9 a.m. 9 a.m. And what is that? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 18 means what? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. right? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. After then what is that? 25 and a 30, right? 25 and a what? 35. Sorry, 25 and what? 30, right? 25 and what? 25. 25th and 25th minute to 30 to what? 30th minute, right? Like what is that? Like what is that? 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and what? 30. 30. What is that possible value I given? See this possible value. What is that? This is the possible end. 25 to 30. 25 to what? 30. Right? And what is that? What is that? 10th second. And what is that? And what? 10th second. Means what? Every day 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. 25th minute. 25th minute to 30 minute, right? 25th minute to what? 25th minute to 30 minute continuously every minute, right? 25th, 22nd, 26, 27, 28 means 25th 10 second, 26 10 second, 28 10 second, 29 10 second, 29 30 10 second, like that. Sorry, this one is 30, right? 30. Our task will execute. Our task will execute like this only, right? Like this. So just you want like this. Okay, just I'm giving the example also, right? What is that? 9. Just think about 9:25. I'm giving what? 9:25, 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. I'm giving what? 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. After then what? Next one is what? 26, 26, right? 26, 10 a.m., right? Now another one is what? 27, right? 27, 10 a.m. 27, right? 27, 28, right? I'm taking what? 28, right? 10 a.m. After then, what is that? 28, right? 29, 29, 10 a.m. After then, what? 30, 30, 10 a.m. Okay, same like another one is what? Same like another. Again, what will happen now? Another will like this. Okay. Now, what is that? 6 p.m. PM. Like this, in a day, right? Our task with what? Our task will execute. Now, clear, guys? Now, clear, everyone? Now, guys, from here onward, again, let's terminate little bit critical way, little bit critical. I'm going to give the expression little bit critically. Shall I move on? Shall I move on or shall I stop it now, guys? Everyone feeling bored or shall I stop it? Continue or shall I stop it now? Here only. Move on, right? Okay, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. If you are taking the interest, I don't have any issue. I can continue it. Okay, I can continue it. Okay. So fine now, guys. So next one. Okay, let's see the next what? Next expression, right? Next expression. Okay. So the next expression I'm taking, what is that? Just think about that. This is the example. Again, I'm taking, what is that? Another expression I'm taking, right? So just I'm taking 0, 0, 9, and what is that? 1, star, star. See this, guys. Be careful, right? See the timeline. Okay. Sorry. See the time. Yeah, timeline. And just what? Based on the timeline, give the answer. Anyone? Because here I used what is that month also. See, in the place of month, first day of month 9 a.m. Good, 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 very good. Sudhir, Mayank, what about others? Only two people? Correct, correct, correct. Correct, correct, guys. Everyone is the first day 9 a.m. Okay. Every month means what is that first day? Every month what we are giving? What is the possibility value? 1 to 12 is there, right? 1 to 12. Every month, what is that first day, right? Every month, what first day? What the task will execute? 9 a.m. Right? 9 a.m. Our task will execute. Okay. This is the meaning of what this example. What is that? This is the meaning of what this example. What is that? Every month, every month first day, right? Every month what first day 9:00, right? 9 a.m. execute the task. Execute the task, right? So just think about that today May is there, right? May 29th, right? 29th is there, right? 29th. So 31st after then what is that? May 1st July, right? 1st July. Sorry, 1st June. Our task will execute what is that? If we give this expression 1st June, 1st June, what is that? 9 a.m. our task will execute. After then what is that? June. After then July. 1st July 9 a.m. our task will execute. After then what is that? August. In the 1st August, what is that? Our task will execute if we give this expression now. Okay, guys. So fine. Okay. So now again I'm giving the one more expression now, guys. One more expression now, guys. One more I'm giving, right? One more I'm giving. Just see this and tell. See this again. Timeline na timeline I will give that every time. Timeline will be clear based on the seeing the timeline only, guys. Okay, just give the expression. Just give the expression. What will be there now? What will be there now? Fine. Okay, so I'm giving 0 0 0 sorry 9 0 0 9. After then what I'm giving 1. After that star. After then what is that? Monday to Friday. Friday. If I'm giving this expression, can you tell based on the by seeing the timeline what will be there? Anyone or I will tell? Anyone or I will tell? Okay, guys. So this expression meaning is what, guys? See this. Okay, execute every month first, right? What is that? See this. What is the first, right? Every month first. First, if condition will be there. See, if Monday to Friday, if if the first, right? If first, right, Monday to Friday between any day is there, then the task will execute. Then the task will execute. If not, if not Saturday or Sunday, Sunday. If first, see in the next month, right? See this in the next month. What is the day is there? Because I given the possibility, right? Possibility. So what is that? June, right? June, what is that? First Thursday. Means what is that? Then the task will execute. Task will execute, right? Task will be executed, right? So, but if Saturday or Sunday will be there, then task will not execute. If between, right? If between what is that? Monday to Friday, if the day will come, that this what is that day will come, then the task will execute. If if what is that? If Saturday or Sunday will be there, then the task will not execute. The expression is meaning is this one only, guys. Okay. Now clear? Now clear? Okay, guys. So let's next see the another one is what, right? Just what is that? Okay. I'm giving what is that, guys? By seeing this expression, you can understand, right? I want one more, right? I want one more expression, right? See this. See this. I'm giving what is that? 0 0 9. Okay. 10. After then what? 15. 15. After then what? Star. After then what is that? Sunday. So can you tell based on this one what is that? What will be there now? What will be there now? Based on this expression, anyone can give. See here, I'm not taking any possibility. Please see this one, okay? Use the chat box. Anyone? No problem, right? Wrong answer also correct. Wrong answer also correct. I am here only. I will correct, right? I will correct. Mayank. Only one person. Randeer. Yes, guys. Yes, yes. Okay. So the expression meaning is what, guys? This expression meaning is what? Execute. Execute task every 10th. 10th. What is that? 10th and what? 15th. 15th. 10th and what? 15th day, right? 15th day. If it is if it is Sunday, if it is Sunday, right? Sunday at what? 9 a.m. What is that? What is the 9, right? 9 colon after then what? 0 0 0 0, right? Like this, okay? 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. Like this, our task will execute, right? Like this, what will happen now? Our task will execute. This is the meaning of what this expression. Only on Sunday only. If the day will come as what on the Sunday, then our task will execute. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, not. Clear? Okay. So one more expression I'm giving to you people. Okay. One more expression I'm giving to you people. Just give the answer. Just give the answer now, guys. Okay. What I'm going to give now? Okay. 0 0 0 9 10 3 Monday to Friday. Friday. Okay, guys. So just tell, you want to see the timeline? See this. Uh, Ranadhir, correct. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. In the month concept is not there in what is that cron expression, right? Cron expression. Third, yeah, third is there, right? So our what is that? Its meaning is what? Execute. Its meaning is what, guys? Execute execute task every year, every year. What is that? Third month, third month, third month, right? Third month means what is that? Third month means what is that? March only, right? Right now, what is that? 10th? What is that? 10th, 10th day, right? 10th, what is that? Day. 10th day, and what is the timing? 9 a.m. What is the timing? 9 a.m. Not what is that? Not what is that? Monday to Friday is there, right? Not Saturday and a Sunday. Not Saturday and a Sunday, right? This meaning is what? This expression is a third month. In the 12th, third month. If we are taking a four, then what is that? Four. Then it is a March is there, April. If we taking what? 5, then what is that? May. Like this, okay? Like this expression will be, okay? Like this what? Expression will be, okay? So, okay guys. So, okay, one more example just I'm taking. What is that? Just one more example I'm taking. If I take what is that? All star only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is that? May I know that? What will be there? No, no. Okay. I can show this one, right? I can show this one. We can wait it, right? Let's take one star. All are star only, right? Now I'm running the application. Our application will run infinite loop like continuously. See, every second is running now, right? Every second, okay? It's not unstoppable, right? Continuous flow will be there. Now I'm stopping this. Continuous. Expression is correct, everything is correct, but continuous. Okay, so now if you want, right, till now we are second seeing that what is that 10th minute, right? 10th second we are saying no, I want what is that to execute our task what every second. I want to execute our task what every second. So which expression come here, right? One more period of time, right? Slash symbol is left, right? Slash symbol and question mark will be there, right? Question mark. Okay, let's see that. Okay, based on this one also, let's complete those things also. Okay, so here what we will do now, I want what is that every second my task will be executed. So what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, star slash 10 we will give, right? Star slash 10 if we give every second, every 10th second our task will execute. See that on every 10-second gap will be there, our task will execute. See on, see on the console. See 10th, right? 10th after 10 seconds. Why it's taking too much time? Yeah, 10 second. See this every 10 second gap. 10, 20, after then 30, after next one is 30. See 30, next one is 40. 10 second gap will be there, right? 10 second gap will be there. If we use what is that slash symbol, right? In the expression, if we use what is that slash symbol, then we can perform what is that? Then we can perform what is that 10 second gap, right? 10 second gap. Okay. So I'm giving what is that one more just actually anyone can write like this. Okay, just what is that our expression? I'm just writing what is that first second. 1 second only, right? Only 1 second, 1 second before before to what is that new year. Like the expression, what is that our task will execute, right? Before what is that 1 second before to new year, our task will be execute, right? Execute. Can anyone write the cron expression for this one? For this line, what is that cron expression? Anyone can write? Anyone can write the expression based on that till now whatever I discussed based on this discussion? Anyone can tell? Okay, I'll tell. No problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. So what is that? Before 1 second, right? Before 1 second means what is the possible value? 59, right? 59 second. After then what is that? 59 minute. After then what is that? 23rd. After then what? 31st. After then what is that? 12th month, right? After then what is that? Here what we will do now? We will give the question mark, right? Question mark is representing what, guys? Question mark is representing what? Any, all using for the day, week, day, or month, right? Not a star star, not a star star. We will use what is that? Question mark, right? Okay. Again, I'm writing what is that? Again, I'm writing what is that one code, guys. Okay, question I'm giving. What is that one question I'm giving? Okay, just analyze it and give the answer. What is that? Every year, right? Every year August, right? Every year August 22nd. 22nd, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. and what? 6 p.m. 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Execute task if day is not Monday. Can anyone based on this line, anyone can write the expression now, guys? Come on. Anyone? No? Okay, no problem. I'll write only, okay? See this. What is that? What will be expression? 0 second, 0 minute. Okay, someone is writing, right? 0 0. Okay, correct. Little bit different. The wrong is there, but no problem. You are tried. That is a good. 0 minute. What is that? 6 a.m. right? 6 a.m. and what is that? 6 p.m. right? Means what is that? 18. Sorry. Yeah. 6 p.m. Now what is that? What is that? Second, right? 22nd, right? 22nd. So what is that? 22nd. After then what is that? After then what is that? 6 p.m. 6 every year August, right? August is what? 8 month, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 8, right? Now 8. Okay. So 8 month, right? After then what? Question mark. After then what? Question mark. No. Sorry. What is that? Day. Execute the task. What is the execute here? The task again. What is that? Execute the task if a day is not Monday, right? So what we will do now? Thursday, Tuesday,